Today, we're taking a deep dive into Windward Preserve in Cocoa, Florida. If you're looking for new construction in Central Brevard, this community is worth a look. Windward Preserve is a single-family home community developed by Taylor Morrison in Cocoa, Florida. It spans over 200 acres and it's positioned around the natural landscape with preserved wetlands and open spaces, so it's not just houses and roads. On the amenity side, the community features a clubhouse, a community pool, dog park, and a play area. And another cool feature is a National Wildlife Federation monarch butterfly garden. It's a nice detail that's unique to this particular area. So what about price and size? Windward Preserve has homes starting from $400,000. With the various floor plans, living spaces range from around 1,700 square feet all the way up to 3,800 square feet, with configurations that range from roughly 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2 to 4.5 bathrooms, depending on the plan. Additionally, residents will have 2 to 3 car garages and options that can be 1-story or 2-story depending on the floor plan. And yes, you can have a pool built, but this will require a separate consultation with the pool contractor. Taylor Morrison lists 8 modern floor plan options. Each floor plan also has its own bedroom and bathroom count and square footage range, so you can narrow down quickly based on how much space you need. Now, let's talk about what's included with the homes, because Windward Preserve highlights a Live Smart package. This includes a Ring doorbell, an electronic front door lock, LED lighting throughout the home, a Honeywell home touchscreen thermostat with Wi-Fi, and a garage door opener. Now, we aren't going to stop at the tech package. Let's break down categories of additional features. For the kitchen, it highlights level 1 features like 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops with a backsplash, a stainless undermount kitchen sink, and stainless steel appliances. For energy efficiency, each home gets low E double pane windows, insulation in the ceilings above all air-conditioned spaces and on all exterior walls, and a high-efficiency AC system with a programmable thermostat, which again is part of the technology-driven Live Smart package. And on the exterior, you'll see things like an automatic irrigation system in the front and the backyard, fully sodded landscaping, and storm protection for the windows and the doors. This prime location sits in Central Brevard, so if you're wondering how close this is to the major local landmarks, Port Canaveral and beaches are roughly 13 miles away, and the Kennedy Space Center is about 16 miles away. For shopping, this community sits less than 5 miles from grocery stores, multiple restaurants, and various shopping centers. One more important piece for homeowners are the fees for living in this community. Windward Preserve does have an HOA of about $119 a month. It is paid quarterly, and it covers the community amenities and the maintenance of the common areas. Additionally, owners are going to pay a Community Development District, also known as a CDD fee, which is between $2,200 and $2,700 annually, and this is billed on the property tax bill. If you're wondering what is a CDD fee and why is it required here, in short, a CDD is a special purpose local government created to plan, finance, build, and manage community infrastructure and the amenities inside of a new growing neighborhood. So the reason you see a CDD fee is essentially because someone had to pay to build and then maintain the infrastructure and amenities. And the CDD is the mechanism that spreads that cost across the homeowners who benefit. So that's the big picture on Windward Preserve. If you want some more information, or if you just have some questions about the surrounding area, feel free to contact me or send me a direct message on socials.